Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will tell you about the deja vu what recently happened to me. All started with the publication of an overview of this book. This is The Colonial Schooners by Hahn, 1763-1775. You can find link here on the top right. Yes, your right, my left. In this book, author uses black and white photos of his biggest achievement of the Colonial shipyard in scale 1:96. I decided to visit a Mariners Museum in Newport News, Virginia, to see their big gallery of models. Most of the time, I have spent next to one diorama and took a bunch of photos from it. In that moment, I got a strange feeling that I have seen it somewhere. Even after reading the plate, I did not remember where. Only at home, when I was sitting and editing photos, my husband passed behind me and recognized this diorama.
Is this the Hahn Colonial Schooner diorama there?
Yes, I took a few pictures when we were in Virginia in Mariners Museum.
Right, I missed that one. Unfortunately, I would have loved to see it myself. It is based on this diorama that he wrote the Colonial Schooner. Although he hired somebody else to do the research for him.
That's right, I knew that I have seen it somewhere. Yeah. Is that small schooner also from Hahn drawings?
Yes, although this one is not coming from the book. This one is based on an article that he published in the Nautical Research Journal sometime in the 1970s, I believe.
Should I help you to finish it?
No, this is my relaxation in between drawings and real work. Now and then I play with this. As you know, most models are research tools for me. But
yeah,
this is just
I know.
for the heck of it.
But how nice to get a full circle from the book through the exhibit and to the model.
Even if this model does not actually feature in the schooner, but yes.
So, if you haven't been in the Mariners Museum in Virginia, it is worth a visit. And if you have this book, take it with you to compare black and white photos with color original. If you like this story, press like and subscribe to the channel, and we will meet in the next issue of the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will tell you about the deja vu what recently happened to me. Wake up, wake up, wake up!
Oh, you have dropped something here.
Thank you.
So what you wasting your time with this time? Okay, let's repeat it. Let's see what else am I going to come up with this time.